Good day, viewers. We are going to start again where we have left in our last video. And in this case, we will be again discussing with parallel lines and transversals. So, you see the thing, if you have a line and it is intersected by another line, then they are called only intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, right? As soon as this line intersects another parallel line, it is called transversal. Okay? It's changed from an intersecting line to a transversal. And again, it gives rise, this interaction gives rise to a number of angles of various type of values. Okay, like parallel, like corresponding angles. Okay, then of course vertically opposite angles are there, vertically opposite angle. Then these are also called consecutive angles, this one, and this is also called supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. The whole effort of the exercise that we have gone, that since we have all this knowledge, how do we apply in different problems? There is also another very important angle which none of us should miss, and that is called alternate angles. Alternate angles. Okay, sometimes it is also called alternate opposite angles. So I have just gone through a summary of what the whole of these problems are, lines and angles. So I will now pick up the problems and show their solution, which we have done. Continue with what we have been doing last time. Okay. Okay. Now, as we go, this time we have a line AB. A starts here, B starts here, and a line parallel to it, and this line is CD, this line is C and D on the top. Then A is extended on this side to a point that is E, and these two are joined together. And what is given? Given is here this angle. This angle is given as 100 degree. This angle is given as 30 degree. What is our job? We have to find out what is OCD. So this is not E, but this is O. So OCD. That means we have to find out what is this angle is of. Okay. Now again the same thing which I have been emphasizing on, that as soon as you have two parallel lines, look for the transversal. I don't see any transversal here, that this is cutting this thing. So what I will do, I will extend this line further. I will extend this line further and to a point E. So okay. So since I am extending this line further, So since it is given AB is parallel to a CD, since I have extended D, so I can also say AB is parallel to DE. Okay? Because CE, only the extension, because CE is extension of DC, right? So this can be done. As soon as you do this, you will find, if I call this one angle 2 is, and I call this one say angle 1, this one angle 1, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Why? Because they are corresponding angle. So, angle 2 is equal to 100, right? This is equal to 100. Okay? So, we got this point also. This angle also we have got. Okay. Now, I can also look at this line DE and find that if I mark this angle as angle 3, then angle 3 plus C, angle C, that means this angle, okay, I will not solve, let us call this one angle 4, it will be easy for us, angle 4, this is angle 3, so plus angle 4 will be equal to 180, right? I know this angle C I have to find out. So how do I find that angle? So here, this point has also been given. This point is 30 degree has been given. This is 100 degree has been given. So angle 3 will be what? Angle 3 plus angle plus 100 plus 30. That will be 180. Why? Because this is the sum of interior angles of a triangle. This is done? Okay. So from there I get angle 3. So from there I get, okay, therefore angle 3 is equal to 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50. So I got angle 3 equal to 50. Okay, this is 50. Now here I have written somewhere angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. So if angle 3 is equal to 50 plus angle 4 equal to 180, therefore angle 4 equal to 130. Is that okay with you? So this is what we have to find out. That means angle D, or here in the book it is saying OCD equal to 130 degrees. So all I have done to solve this problem is that I have extended this line to intersect this transversal. I have to extend as long as it intersects at the transversal. It did it at E. Okay, so these two are parallel lines. This is intersecting. So, and this is given. This thing is given. This is given. Okay, this 30 degree is given. This is given. Okay. So then I can easily say that this is 100 degree, this is 100 degree of this thing, because they are corresponding angle. So in this, then I have got this triangle. In this triangle, I have got already two angles, so I can find out this particular angle. This is what I have done it here. Here I have said angle 3 plus 100 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. From that I have found out what is the value of angle 3, and that comes out to be 50 angle 3. I have substituted value of angle 3 here, and from there I have obtained angle 4, which I have been asked to find out, which was the assignment. Assignment to find out is this particular angle. Okay, so we will go to the next problem. When I am erasing the board, may I request all of you to like my channel and subscribe, as I have continued saying with you. This subscription is free of cost, so don't worry, it will not cost you anything. And you have to only subscribe once, because you will not be required to subscribe second time. So please like it and then subscribe to the channel. I need a lot of subscriptions in order to make more video of this nature or a different nature. Okay, then again, this is next problem. These problems are books from Agarwal, which I have already said before. So I have a line which is OA. As this dry, you will see these things will brighten up, and then this A is further extended to B. Okay, O is connected to C here, which is further extended to D. Further extended to D. Okay, given is 110 degree. This angle is given, so we say this is given. Okay, this angle is 60 given. 60 degree. This is given. Okay, what do we have to do? What we have to do is what is OAC? So which one is C? This is C. Okay, this angle we have to find out. Okay, so what we do for this? Further this is given, AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so this is parallel, this is, and this is parallel. Okay, if these two are parallel. Okay, now I have to again get a transversal. That means I have to have a line which connects these two. So best way to do it is extend this so that it intersects or it touches AB. Let us say it touches at B itself. Why worry and bring another this thing into it? So let us say it touches at B. Okay? Okay. Now, okay, I further extend it. No, I have to use it further. So I will say this is B, and I will say this is E. This will be advantageous to me to explain. So then, since this line and this line are parallel, so you can easily find this angle would be what? This will be corresponding angle. So let me call it 2. And let me call it 1. So angle 1 and it will be angle equal to 2 because they are corresponding angles. Okay, so that means this is 110. If this is 110, if I take out another angle, say let us take out this angle. and let us call it whatever we have called. This is we have called angle 2. Okay, let us call this angle 3. We have called this one angle 1. Okay, so this would be, so therefore angle 3 would be 180 degree minus 110. Why? Because again they are linear pair. They are linear pair. So why? Because they are linear pair. You have, that is equal to, would be equal to, I have not completed this one, this would be equal to 70. So we have got this one 70. So we have got no more work to do, not much work to do. So here we will say, now we will take up with this particular angle, this triangle, this particular triangle, we will take up this particular triangle, and this particular triangle, let us say triangle AOE. So sum of interior angles, angles will be 60 degree plus 70 degree plus angle AOE would be equal to 180. So therefore angle AOE will be 180 minus 70 plus 60, so that is equal to 50. In one of the videos, I think in the last video I said minus, but I put a plus here. So please take care of that. And in another, the first one on mirror, I made a mistake of saying that they are corresponding angles. Actually, they will be alternate angles. Those are slip of tongues, and so please take care of that. But I still didn't receive any comment on those. I thought somebody will comment, and that will give me an idea how much study they are doing it. So this question is over. So we will go to the next question. Next question is also another interesting question, and it's very simple. So what I am trying to say, that please remember, these are problems of parallel lines, transversals, and the angles associated with it. So first look for the parallel lines, they are given, then look for the transversal. And once you put the transversal in, if it is there, it is okay. If it is not there, see whether you can make it by extension of a line or not. The next one I am going to talk about is again related to physics, and this also you see the interaction between physics and mathematics. So this is again a mirror, and so there is a incident ray PO which definitely gets reflected. Okay, so this is P, this is O, and this is R. Okay, this is R. And this angle here is 108. What it says? Then what is AQP? Then what is? Okay, mirror is AB. I should have written it before. So this is coming in and this is going out. So this angle is given. That's interesting. And they are asking what is AOP? What is this angle? What is this angle? Okay, now is there any information how you can get this angle? I think no. So what do we do? First of all, this ray or this line segment which is representing the ray should be obeying Snell's law. Snell, S-N-E-L-L, Snell's law. That is, angle of incident is equal to angle of refraction. Angle of incident is equal to, let me write it down, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. It's done? Okay. Now what is angle of incident? Is this angle of incident? No. First of all, Snell's law also says that this angle the incident ray makes with the normal at the point O, makes with the normal, not with the plane mirror. So I must draw a normal. So this is my normal. As I draw my normal, so this would be this 1 and 2. So angle 1 is equal to also angle 2. Okay, let's write it this way. Angle of incidence, okay, is equal to angle 1. That is equal to, which is angle of reflection. Right? And they are equal. So I have 108 that can be divided by 2, that is equal to angle 1. That is equal to 54 degree. If I have that one 54 degree angle 1, then this angle, let us call it 3. Therefore, angle 3, that is equal to AOP, or angle POA would be equal to 90 degree minus 54 degree, that would be equal to 636 degree. Right? So this angle is equal to 36 degree. Unless you have the knowledge of principle of reflection and incidence and about Snell's law, you will not be able to reply to these questions or solve these questions. So I will suggest that you get conversion with these particular problems. I will now do some few more problems. I find they are a little bit interesting, and I will try to do those. And first one of these, they are all from mathematics by Agarwal. Okay, again I would like to take this time to remind you to please subscribe to my channel. So each time I think I am going to rub this and I will going to remind you. Okay, so only way I will know that you have subscribed, that if my likes goes up after this presentation is put up in YouTube. Okay, so what does it say? It says PO, and it says PQ. Okay, PQ is a better word. And let us say this is R, QR, and there are two parallel lines. Here is one parallel line, and here is the other parallel line. And one is AB, okay, other one is CD. Okay, this angle is required X degree, you have to find out. So this is what you have to find out. This angle, this is say H, intersect at H, and this angle is 115 given. This is given. Okay, and this angle is given. This angle is given. This angle is 85 degrees. Okay. Now if you see, I have to find out x. Okay. Again I take advantage of this triangle. Okay. That means I know one angle of the triangle of these things which I have to find out. Okay. Now this angle, okay, and what are the parallel lines? These are the parallel lines. These are the parallel lines. Let us say this transversal, okay, cuts that line. Okay, the easiest way of doing it is take this one, take this angle as a linear pair. So let me call this angle as 1. Angle 1 plus 115 is equal to 180. This is 1. So angle 1 equal to 185 minus, sorry, 180, where is 5 comes from? Minus 115, 565. So this angle 1 is 65. Okay, now this is two parallel lines, right? Okay, then this angle will be 85. Why? Because this angle corresponds to this angle. So how I call this? I have used any number here? Yes, if I have used a number, angle number 1, I will use this one as angle number 2. So angle number, and this let me call it angle number 3. So angle number 2 is equal to angle number 3. That is equal to 85 degree. So if angle number 2 is 85 degree, then I will mark this angle as angle number 4. Angle number 4 plus angle number 2 will be equal to 180. Why? Because I think this chalk does not write well, because they are linear pairs. Okay? So what would be angle number 4? Angle number 4 would be equal to 180 minus 85. Okay? This is 85. So minus 85. That will be, will be 95. So now I have angle 4 I have got. This is angle 4. This is angle 4. So I have angle 4 plus angle 1 plus x0 is equal to 180. Why? Again, the sum of internal angles of the triangle, this triangle. How do I call? Let me put C, D, F, let me put it G. Okay? Q, G, H. Okay? So let me put values of 4. Angle 4 is equal to 95. Plus angle 1 is equal to 65. Angle 1 equal to 65. Plus x0 is equal to 180. So what will be x? It will be 20 degrees, because 180 minus 95 and this would be 160. That will be equal to 20 degrees. So this is done. This is 20 degrees. Okay, it involves some calculations, but logically it should not take you more than 3 minutes. Okay, so this is the thing that we must learn to do this kind of. Do not get scared, they will fall into place. Look at lines which are parallel and lines which are transversal. So here you have got two transversal. This one is a transversal, this one is also a transversal. So take advantage of that. Okay, I am going to the next. Problem. ঠিক আছে. We continue with the next problem. This problem also says two lines AB, okay, and CD, they are parallel. I'll write it down. They are parallel. Then C is further, then is extended to E. This is further extended to a point E. And this is A, so it should be B. This is C. Okay, let me write down C here. And this is D. Okay, now AC is joined and taken to F. AC is joined and taken to F. Okay, so let me, instead of a C here, let me put down C here. And this is joined to, this is F, and these two are joined. Okay? So this is the problem sketch. And what are the informations given? This angle is given as 75. 75. And this is given. This is given. Some of this is given. The white chalk is the best to write with. This is given. Okay, what else is given? This is given. This is 30 degree. This is given. And they are saying this is x0. This is we have to find out. Okay? Seems very easy. Why? Because this line and this line is parallel. Let's see, it's given or not. Yeah. AB and CD are parallel. AB is parallel to CD. It's given. If it is given and this I take it as a transversal, then this is consecutive angles which are supplementary. Let me call it angle 1. Angle 1 plus 75 degree is equal to 180. Why? Consecutive angles, so supplementary. And AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so what is angle? Therefore, angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 75, that is 105. Agreed? So angle 1 I know is 105. If I know angle 1 is 105, so I know this is vertically opposite angle. Let me call it angle 2. So again angle 1, it should be written otherwise out. Angle 2 is equal to angle 1 because they are vertically opposite angles. Done? So I got angle 2. It is 105. 135. So let us see this triangle. Again, sum of interior angles of a triangle. Okay, this time triangle CFE. Okay, so what is this? 105, go this way. 105 plus x plus 30 is equal to 180. So x equal to 180 minus 135, right? Okay, 135, 545. So this angle x equal to 45 degree. This is done. I think you should be happy. Very, very fast done this answer. Okay, this is all answer. So let us do another one. More we do, more expertise you will get. Okay? Okay, next one. Start good? Okay. We are again continue with this one. This is another problem. This is another problem. This problem is AB. AB. This another line is PQ. Another line is PQ. Okay. Then there is another line which goes like this, and this is the transversal. It cuts AB at E and PQ at F. Okay. Then there is a point G here, and these two lines are connected like this. We have to find out what this angle, x0. What else has been given? This angle has been given. This angle has been given 25 degree. This is y has been given. Okay? And then what else has been given? Okay, more has been given, more information has been given. This angle has been given as 20 degree. This is given. So I should write that they are all given. Okay. So let me write down. This is given. This is given. Okay. Y also marked, but nothing is been given. And this angle is been given. This angle has been given as 75. Okay. So now see these are given. So it is already find values of x and y. Find values of x and y. So what would be the first thing to start from? First thing to start from, take advantage of these two lines. These two parallel lines. They are parallel lines. Okay. And I got only one transversal. So this is a transversal. Okay. So first thing that it gives me, that this angle 75, let us call it angle 1, and angle 2, let's call this whole angle. Which angle? This whole angle. This angle. This whole angle. Angle 2. This is angle 2. Okay. This is angle 2. So this angle and this whole angle, that means 25 plus y is equal to 75, because corresponding angle, corresponding angles. So this is first relationship. So y equal to 50. Okay, 1 is done. Now what would be the value of x? Value of x would be equal to, see this angle here. Okay, what would be this angle? Let us say this angle, this whole angle, and this angle 2, let us call it angle 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3 will be 180, supplementary. Because they are consecutive angles. Okay, check this. Consecutive, okay? So, what happens now? So, I can say 25, I already know the value of y, but I write it down here. Y equal to, this angle I have termed at angle 3 plus angle 3 plus 20 is equal to 180. Okay, 25 plus y, angle 3 is this angle, and angle 3 is this particular angle, angle 3 plus 20. That gives me, what is the value of y? 50. So 75 plus 20, 95. So angle 3 is equal to 180 plus minus, this is 50, 79 minus 95. That is equal to 105. Is it 105? Oh, again I will do 180 because I have some problem with this. 9, 10, 85, not 1085. Right? Okay, that is equal to angle 3. So this angle is now equal to 85 degree. So now let us look at this particular triangle. Again, let us look at this particular triangle. See, you need little bit logical thinking in this case. Whatever in this triangle, again, sum of internal angles. So sum I can also write as this, right? This is also a sum. So next time I'll write like this. I don't have to write sum all the time. So that will be x plus 25 plus 85 equal to 180. So this would be what? 85 plus 25 is what? 0, and here it is 3, 110. So x is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70. I hope this is okay with you. Yes, this must be okay with you because we have not made any mistake anywhere. So what we'll do, summary, what we'll do, we took care of these two parallel lines. We said this is a transversal. So first thing we said this angle and this angle are corresponding angle. So from there we got the value of y equal to 50. Then again these are the two parallel lines and this is again the transversal. So this whole angle plus, which is we calling angle 3, plus this whole angle, that is we call angle 2. So that 2 we have added up and said that is equal to 180 degree. Okay? Now this is for the internal angle of the triangle. This is not this. This we have done it here. This is from here we have got it, angle this thing. So we said 25 plus y plus angle 3 plus 20 is equal to 180, from where we got 85. So use this in the triangle where we have got 3 angles, and x happens to be one of the angles. So x happens to be one of the angles. So we use 25, which is given, and angle 3, which we have found out again ourselves, and then we have calculated x from there. So this is over, but this is very interesting, because in the same one transversal and 2 parallel lines, you have to find out the angles. Okay, then we will go through another one which is similar. So it can be done very easily. So it just will take a couple of minutes, but similarly it will take you couple of minutes just to like my channel and also to subscribe. So when I am erasing the board, or I am cleaning up the board, you please like and add the subsequently, as well as subscribes to the channel. Okay, now this is next one. This is again AB. Okay, this is CD. Okay, this A goes to E, A goes to E, and C is connected here. You remember we have done similar type of this thing before. So we will do the same thing here also and see they work or not. This is given as 130. This is given. Okay. This is given as 20. This is given. Okay. We have to find out here x0. Okay, let us write down. We start from A to B, we start from C to D, and we come here to E. So what we do? And given AB is parallel to CD. It's given. So this is how your problem looks like. So you have to be extremely, now think again the same principle. This is a parallel line, this is a parallel line. Now I have to find a transversal. How do I find it? I simply extend this same parallel line. I can extend it and until it touches AE. And let us say I will use it as F, right? So this intercepts that F. So how do we now go around doing it? Again the same thing. I'll mark this one, I will start from here, so I am marking this one as angle 1. Angle 1 is equal to angle X is equal to, okay, let me put it as x0, because it's given as x0, maybe this is the value. Okay, this is the value, take it, because why? They are corresponding angle. Okay, so x has come here. Very good. Now what is this angle? Now I have to go here because I will use this triangle again. So this angle, I will now mark it as angle 2. Angle 2 plus 130 is equal to 180. Because what? They are linear. They are linear pairs. Okay, so I get angle 2 from where? Angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50. Done? So come to this triangle. Angle 2 is 50. Okay, x I have to find out, and this angle is 20 given. This angle is 20 given. I have further checked. 20 given. This is 180. Okay. Sum of angles of a triangle. Sum of angles of a triangle. This is the symbol of sum. Okay, so what is x? X will be equal to 180 minus 70, that is equal to 110. Okay, done. This is value of this thing is this. So again, just a revision, two parallel lines given. Okay, and this is the figure that has been given. What I have done, from C I have extended it to F, and so that to take advantage of this transversal, this particular transversal, I have taken that. I have first said x0, x, what is the value of x? An angle 1 would be same because they are corresponding angle, and from there I have found out their linear pairs. I have found out angle 2, use the properties of a triangle, sum of angles, interior angles of a triangle, and from there I have found it out. So this is not, there is not much thinking about it. So let us see another one, similar, same thing, same way. So that's why I want to again do it. You have done enough, and some of these things you can see, instead of drawing another parallel through here and doing all that and making them, this is not necessary. You can easily extend a parallel line to cut a transversal, as you can extend a transversal to cut a parallel line. And they make the life easier, much easier for you. Okay. Now here is again an interesting this thing. This is a line. This line is AB, and another parallel line is CD. So this is CD. This is CD. Okay. Now B and C are connected.
अभी मैं कॉल बैक करता हूँ.
Okay. Then there is another line EF. Another line EF. This is so, given AB is parallel to CD and parallel to EF. This is given. Okay. And what is done? C is connected to E. Okay. C is connected to E. Okay. I should have done it before. Okay, that's it. Okay, fine. Only this one connection. And this angle is given. This is 130. This is given. Okay. This angle is x0. This is given. This is to be found out. This angle is 70. This is given. So what we do in this case? Again, find out the parallel and the transversal. So this is a transversal, this is a parallel line. This is a parallel line. So this is a transversal. So this whole angle here, this whole angle would be 70. because these two are alternate angles. Let's call it angle 1, whole angle. So angle 1 is equal to 70 degree because they are alternate angles. Okay? Okay. This because given, I don't need to give a name. Again, let us look at this particular these two parallel lines. This parallel line and look at this parallel line. This angle, small angle, this small angle. Okay? This is the bigger one we have called angle 1. This angle is given 70. Okay? And this angle is also given. So this 70, which is we have found out as 70 because of this, the angle, let us call this angle a smaller angle as angle 2. Angle 2. Therefore, angle 2 plus angle 130 is equal to 180. Why? Because they are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles consecutive. Okay? Okay, from here I get angle 2. So angle 2, now if I write on the top, then it doesn't follow. So angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50. Okay, so smaller angle, angle 2. Now, if you take the whole total angle, angle 1 is equal to x degree plus 70. Okay, 70 degree. Right? And this is the whole thing, it would be angle 1, the whole thing is equal to x plus angle 2. Angle 1, the whole thing is 70 degree. Don't get confused. There are a lot of chances of getting confused. x0, what is angle 2 plus 50? So therefore, x0 is equal to 20 degrees. Okay? So let us recapitulate what we did. We first took the bigger angle, this bigger angle, which is given as green. Now I am using another color. That bigger angle, and we said L1, that we said as L1, that is equal to 70, which is given 70 because they are alternate angles. Then we came between this one only. Here we set this smaller angle, not Li1 but the 2. So angle 1 and angle 2 here, angle 2 plus 130 degree is equal to 180 because they are supplementary and consecutive angles. Angle 2 is the smaller of these two angles, this angle 2. And x is equal to the bigger angle, L1, this angle, this bigger angle, L1 is equal to x0 plus angle 2. So that will be equal to 70 because we have already said before L1 is 70, 70 plus x0 plus 50, 50 we have found out from here, angle 2 we have found out from here. So this will become, x will be equal to 20 degrees. So this problem is over. There should not be any confusion. Confusion can arise in this because they are within one within the other. So which one you are saying 1 and which one you are using as angle 1 and angle 2 must be clear in your mind in order to arrive at this equations to find out this one. Okay, I will take a few more this thing and then we will go to angles of a triangle. Okay, again this one very interesting and very easy. So A to B is just, it will take more time to draw it than the other way around. B to C, C to D and D to E. So this is A to B, B to C, okay, and this to this. What else is said? AB equal to CD. So look, AB is parallel to CD. So in the drawing it doesn't look like, but okay, fine. So we should have drawn it little bit parallel to this. Okay. A good sketch is also very, very important. In the sense, this will open up the possibilities. So let me draw it parallel to AB. And BC is parallel to ED. BC is parallel to ED. This is given. And what else is given? We have to find this angle. And what angle is given? This angle is given as 75. Okay, simple and very easy. These two lines are parallel. And this is the, I can use this one as a transversal. I know this angle. This angle would be 180 degree minus 75. That is equal to 105. Right? This line and this line is parallel. So this angle and this angle, say angle 1. So I have to only 1. So let me write them down. Angle 1 plus 75 degree is equal to 180. Okay? Because supplementary. So from there I have come down to here. This gives you this one. Again angle 1 equal to, say angle X, this thing equal to, because they are alternate angles. So X equal to 105. Okay, done? So before drawing it, do not get confused. Stop it.